Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Toyota Corolla. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, a drain pan, a funnel, and a wrench. You'll also need about 4.4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic motor oil. Next, safely lift the front of your Corolla using a jack and place jack stands under the frame for stability. This ensures a secure workspace for the steps ahead. Now let's get that old oil out. Look under your car for the oil pan and find the drain plug. Position your oil drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Unscrew the old filter and replace it with a new one, hand tightening it until snug. Don't forget to put the drain plug back in, tightening it to about 30 foot-pounds. Now, using a funnel, carefully pour the 4.4 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic motor oil into the engine's oil fill cap. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the new oil to circulate. While it's running, quickly check for any leaks around the new oil filter and the drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a couple of minutes, then check the oil level on the dipstick to ensure it's within the proper range. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.